Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I make these cute little leaves. And these come right out of one of my favorite little vintage crochet books, this cute little flower doilies book, and it's actually one of the doilies on the front cover. That's the leaf we're going to be making. So I'm just going to flip to that page. Whoops, so there's another little detail picture of what the doily looks like. And we are just going to be making leaf pattern right here. And we're only doing actually the first couple of kind of rounds on it. So, so we're going to do a little crochet along here, and I will show you how we do that. So for this project, I'm using size 10 crochet cotton in a nice kind of olivey green color, but you can use any color you like. We'll need I'm using a size 6 crochet hook. This one's a boy crochet hook. I know every brand is like a different size. And a little pair of scissors that we'll need. So I'm just going to make a slip knot to get started, and we are going to chain 13. So we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And now we're going to do a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So that is not this one, but this one. So one little single crochet. And then we're going to do 10 more single crochets all along the chain. So one right here. And here is 2. Here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we are at the very last chain. We're going to do 3 single crochets in the last chain. So we've got a 1, a 2, and a 3. Now we're going to be working up along the back side of the chain, or the underside of the chain. And what we're going to do is 1 single crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. So we've got to find the next stitch, kind of the back or underside of it. And when I do this side also, I grab the beginning working yarn and I just crochet right over it. So I catch it when I'm going into the underside of that chain. And just catch that in there. Kind of helps to finish it off, and then when I cut it, it has a little more, I don't know, like length to it. I feel like it kind of helps it along. Let's see, how many was that? So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 5, 6, 7. Oh, I think that one was a little too far in there. There we go. And 8. And there we go. So we've got our 8. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to turn over And now we're going to be working in the back loops only of these stitches. So we are going to single crochet in the next 9 single crochets. So picking up the back loop only, we're going into that very first single crochet. So here is 1. Here is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now in the next one, we're going to do 3 single crochets. There's a 1, and a 2, and a 3. And now we're going to work along up the other side. We're going to do 1 single crochet in each of the next 7 single crochets. So we've got, still working in the back loops only, there's a 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, oh, I think I caught both loops, 6, and a 7. There we go. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn our work over again, and we're going to be working the next round. So now this is one that we're actually going to repeat 4 times. So here is our first repeat. We're going to single crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. So we're going to pick up our first one, still working in the back loops only. So we've got a 1, 2, 3, oh, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now in this next one, we do 3 single crochets. So there's a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and then working up the next side, we're going to do 7 single crochets in the back loops only. There's a 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn it because we're repeating that. So we've done it once, we're going to repeat it 3 more times. So starting with 8 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 3 single crochets in the next one. There's 1, 2, 3, and then 7 single crochets up along the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, chain 3 and turn. We're going to do it 2 more times. All right, and once you have repeated that 4 times, we can just go ahead and pull our thread out and finish it off. We can snip this thread at the top that we crocheted over with our first round. And that is it. There's our cute little leaf. All right, everybody, great job.